When we received your order at Osborne Wood Products, we're able to produce it because of coordination with our drafting department. Our drafting department has set the order up and configured it to use the appropriate materials for the job. They've created a design for our CNC machines to be able to run the job. Then our production worker will go to our storage bays and examine the material for the job to ensure that the appropriate quality is used from the very start. Starting at the beginning with quality in mind is the best way to ensure that we have a great product in the end.
In production, we work off of a live board that shows us orders that are coming in minute by minute. Just a matter of minutes after an order is placed with CSRs or online, we see that order. That can be in production literally minutes later if we have the available people and all of that. But the other part is, for the customer, they're getting good quality pieces off of CNC machinery quickly and efficiently, and it's just good for everybody. When a leg comes off of a machine, virtually every single station that we have has inspection lights. That leg will come in under the inspection lights, and with the angle and the kind of light and all of these things that we use, we'll inspect every single piece, literally all four sides, before it gets put on the cart to go to shipping. And then in shipping, it's actually looked at again, there again under lights, by trained professionals that are looking for defects.
Once we get an item on the shipping side, we're going to collect all the packaging materials we need for that item to make sure that it gets to the customer in the condition that we need it to. And we'll give it one final inspection before we box it up with our packaging materials and send it on its way. At Osborne, we're also very focused on our same-day shipping numbers. First thing we want to do is try to get our products shipped the same day that our customers order them in every scenario that we can. Our goal in the shipping department is to make sure that our customers receive the products they ordered in the right condition every single time.